At Biomerics, patients are our primary focus. Everything we do, everything we create and assemble, improves patients' lives globally. From catheters to surgical jaws and guidewires to complete endoscopes, the components and medical devices we manufacture travel across the world to doctors' offices and hospitals. In the hands of capable medical professionals and surgical teams, these devices are used to improve and save patients' lives. Each medical device and component we produce represents a patient, a person whose life will be changed by the product we helped create. That's why we push the boundaries of medical device manufacturing, taking advantage of advanced manufacturing techniques to create smaller, smarter, innovative interventional medical devices. Our exceptional engineering and production teams cultivate a spirit of innovation and leverage our world-class, vertically integrated facilities to ensure that every component we manufacture and each medical device we assemble fulfills our mission of putting patients first. At the heart of our mission are our company values. These values inform how we do business and the way we build and maintain relationships with our customers, suppliers, and fellow team members. Our commitment to these values has a significant impact on the lives of patients, our employees, and our communities. As we strive to remember the impact our company has on the lives of patients, the motivation to produce high-quality products for one member of the Biomerics family is personal.
I wanted to share a story about my daughter who I adopted in 2012. We knew that she had a host of issues. She's had 3 open heart surgeries. She's had 8 heart catheterization surgeries. She's deaf in her left ear and she has spinal bifida. And every time there was a procedure, her life changed. There was an impact. There was a noticeable and a marked improvement in the quality of her life. And it's really good as a parent to see these things change when you have a loved one who is improving because it's stuff that you make. And man, it's awesome because there's the technology and the design and the product, and it all culminates together in the operating. And when it's done, you get to see the benefit of somebody who wasn't very mobile or someone who wasn't able to participate in other activities. And now her life has been extended. And every time she goes into surgery, you see that her life continues to get extended. She's been on 2 Make-A-Wish trips. And they don't do Make-A-Wish trips for no reason. And I'm happy to say, I hope we have no more Make-A-Wish trips. It stopped me. It just really resonates when you know that you get to be part of something that impacts people's lives. And you get to see the benefit and the change as a result of these surgeries with the products that we make. It means a lot to me that I can have involvement and be part of the solution as it relates to the products that we manufacture, the customers we serve, and the families and the lives that we impact. I feel it myself. One of our core values is we care. And I promise you, every day when I come to work and I think about the products we make and the people whose lives we impact and the families that we impact, especially my own, I promise you, I care.
We take pride in all the employees across our global organization. From engineering and production teams to shared service departments, the contribution of each employee fosters a company culture of innovation, collaboration, and care.
I've been with Biomerics for 29 years. Started my career at the Athens, Texas facility. I was actually hired to clean the building at night and have worked my way up. So when I look back over my career with Biomerics, there's one thing that really stands out for me, and it's opportunity. There's always opportunities that are presented to us throughout our careers. What you do with those really kind of defines the direction that you go. You'll find that pretty soon you become somewhat of a subject matter expert. You're able to contribute. You become a resource for people. It really keeps me motivated to keep coming in and keep leading the teams and keep doing the things that we need to do to be successful so that the patients have the best outcome possible.
One of the biggest factors that drew me to Biomerics is our strong vision of vertically integrating all of our capabilities together to be able to have all the more an impactful presence in the market. So impressive. We put that together, and the impact we have collectively, if we can vertically integrate those centers of excellence together on a patient's life is incredible. We all understand how what we're doing every day and what we're responsible for every day, how that makes a lasting and significant impact on another human being. There's nothing more motivating than that.
I'm passionate working at Biomerics because we are carrying the same values. Our values are extremely important as integrity, trust, we care, and this is exactly what I believe in as an individual person. So how Biomerics helped me in general to make the move from Israel to Costa Rica. And the journey has been amazing. I'm married with 3 kids. To transfer a family from one continent to another, it's a big deal. However, this journey was very, very smooth and easy as I had the perfect support surrounding me in the local facilities that are hosting me, that they open their arms to welcome me, making sure that when I arrive with my family to Costa Rica, everything will be ready. And truthfully, everything is ready. They help me with housing, with banking, with car, with all aspects of us having the right infrastructure. For me, company and me is the same. And I'm looking forward to continue growing within Biomerics company.
At Biomerics, we care about the communities in which we live, work, and play. That's why last year, we participated in a variety of community initiatives across the company to improve the areas we live in. Our biggest impact, however, is through the medical components and devices we produce. In 2024, we manufactured and assembled millions of medical devices and components that were used to access target areas of the body, perform diagnostic tests, and deliver therapy to patients. In mid-2024, we began manufacturing a mapping catheter, a high-performance diagnostic catheter used for mapping the left ventricle and right atrium. We ramped up to produce more than 13,000 catheters last year, with a plan to manufacture over 120,000 this year. We also manufacture intricate components for robotic surgical systems, including microcomponents such as high-tolerance energy jaws, producing hundreds of thousands of components for robotic surgical devices each year. Since 2023, we have produced several endoscope subassemblies which are used for robotic-assisted bronchoscopy and urology procedures. Last year, we finished the validation process for the complete endoscope and delivered the first shipment of performance-qualified devices. This year, we plan to ramp up production to over 8,000 units of the finished endoscope. These products improve patient outcomes, making a significant impact in patients' lives across the globe. Together, we are making a difference. Together, we improve and save lives.